Hey everyone, Mark here, and today we're going to chat about the first conditional. Our previous video, we talked about the zero conditional, something that's always true or a fact. Now we're talking about the first conditional, which is the conditional which discusses a possible future. Okay? This is what a first conditional can tell us. It'll tell us about something that's possible or likely in the future. So here are a couple examples. Here's my first example. If I have some free time tonight, I will go for a walk. If I have some free time tonight, I'll go for a walk. That's possible. I might have free time tonight, right? So I can use this grammar. Or I can say, if I study hard, I'll pass my test. If I study hard, I'll pass my test. It might happen. It's possible. If I study hard, I'll pass my test. What other examples? One more. I'll do my homework if I have time tonight. I'll do my homework if I have time tonight. Will I have time tonight? I don't know. I might have time, but I'm not sure. But I'll do my homework if I have time tonight. So let's see this grammar. What is the pattern? The pattern, we use if plus the present simple, and then we use will plus our infinitive. If I will. Okay, that's our standard pattern. So to practice this, I'm going to introduce you to my friend Anna for story time. Her name is Anna the Optimist. She's a very positive person. She's very optimistic. She thinks the future will be good. She thinks the future will be good. So no matter what, she's going to have a positive attitude. So let's see what Anna thinks. She's going to say, yeah, if it's a sunny day. If it's a sunny day, I will, what? Or, same, if it's a rainy day, I will, Okay, if it's a hot day. If it's a hot day, I'll, and last one, if it's a snowy day. If it's a snowy day, I'll, Okay, I want you to think, like Anna, about what you could do in these 4 situations, 4 possible things that you could do for this type of weather. So let's see what Anna decided. First one, if it's a sunny day, I'll go to the park. Perfect idea. If it's a rainy day, I'll stay at home. If it's a hot day, I'll go swimming. And finally, if it's a snowy day, of course, if it's a snowy day, I'll build a snowman. That sounds like a perfect way to use each of these situations, a perfect way to use each of these days in my life. Or in this case, not my life, in Anna's life. So I hope that helped you guys. That's our basic overview of the first conditional. I want you guys, if you can, comment on this video. Let me know, how can you use the first conditional? All right, and if you can, think about that possible future for you, the sunny day. If it's a sunny day, a rainy day, a cloudy day, a snowy day, what will you do if this happens to you in the future? You will, I will. So that's it. See you next time.